Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Decentraland price prediction and Decentraland news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Decentraland in 2022. Decentraland, MANA, defines itself as a virtual reality platform based on the Ethereum blockchain that allows users to create, serve and monetize content and applications. In this virtual reality, users buy land that they can later navigate, build on, and monetize. Decentraland was launched following a $24 million initial coin offering, ICO, that took place in 2017. Virtual World launched its closed beta in 2019 and opened to the public in February 2020. Since then, users have created a wide range of experiences on their land sites, including interactive games, extensive 3D scenes, and many other interactive experiences. Decentraland was created by Ariel Milik and Esteban Ordano, who have retired from their core roles on the project, but are still working with Decentraland as advisors. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Decentraland. First news is the beta version of Decentraland's desktop client for Windows has arrived. You can get involved and help test its performance improvements in preparation for a more complete launch in the coming months. Second news today about Metaverse altcoin Decentraland, MANA, launches world's biggest virtual fashion show. Virtual gaming marketplace Decentraland, MANA, is set to host the first ever Metaverse Fashion Week, MVFW, on its platform. Decentraland will host 4 days of virtual runway shows to exhibit artificial intelligence fashion and wearable tech in the form of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, by some of the most recognized fashion brands in the world, such as Tommy Hilfiger, Selfridges, Cavalli, Eli Saab, Vogue Arabia, GoPay and others, according to a new press release. MANA's creative director Sam Hamilton says that while fashion isn't new to the metaverse, the demand for stylish digital clothes is booming. Fashion and haute couture are not new to the metaverse. Decentraland has been on the cutting edge of rare and in-demand digital fashions since the launch of Avatar wearables in 2020. Since that time, creators have been pushing both the technical and stylistic limits of Decentraland wearables, and have created a booming economy with over $1 million in sales of Avatar wearables last year. The immersive fashion show will take place in Decentraland's new luxury fashion district, and will feature a futuristic new leadership team consisting of several crypto and fintech veterans. Sasha Ivanov, the founder of the protocol, will serve as an advisor to the firm. The launch represents a major step in Wave's plans for 2022, which the firm had announced in February. The protocol also has plans to establish a decentralized governance model and increase integration with other blockchains. Is it altcoin season? Wave's recent gains highlight the growing interest in altcoins in recent weeks. Ethereum's rising popularity ahead of its shift to a proof-of-stake model has drawn attention to several other altcoin projects. Tokens such as Terra, Luna, Cardano, ADA, and Solana, Sol, have all posted large gains in the last 2 weeks, while also attracting increased institutional interest. Sentiment towards the crypto market has also greatly improved, with Bitcoin, BTC, recently touching 2022 highs. And second news today about nifty news. Luxury brands joined Decentraland's Metaverse Fashion Week this past weekend. Decentraland hosted the Metaverse Fashion Week, or MVFW, a 4-day digital fashion event that staged wearables on virtual runways, organized discussion panels and housed shopping experiences. The lineup of both legacy luxury labels and digital brands participated, including Dolce & Gabbana, Etro, Tommy Hilfiger, Estée Lauder and Eli Saab. Meanwhile, digital native fashion houses Ouroboros, Dresses and Republic hosted immersive spaces in stores within specific fashion districts designated by coordinates on a map. Just like New York Fashion Week, where events may take place across different city boroughs, so did Decentraland's MVFW, which materialized across different districts. Dolce & Gabbana puts on a literal catwalk. Dolce & Gabbana unveiled 20 full looks of metaverse wearables that they specifically designed for the Metaverse Fashion Week, $7 billion. The same price as the New York Times. At the market's peak, the company was worth $12 billion. With its own tokens totaling around $6 billion, Decentraland, strictly a DAO, is the first crypto unicorn in Argentina. Quotes from the protagonists. The article quotes Demian Brainer, Open Zeppelin's CEO and co-founder. The crypto pole with such force could not emerge in the first world, where citizens trust their governments, their currency, their institutions and their banks. In retrospect, it makes a lot of sense that something like Voltaire would have happened in Argentina. It also quotes Decentraland's founder and Casa Voltaire alumni Esteban Ordano speaking about what made the place special. At lunch, breaks, and downtime, we made time for deep conversations. Technological change and its impact on society were undoubtedly an important axis. Politics and economics were also present, but without stigmatization. We discussed ideas without judging those who brought them. Last but not least, the author quotes Munes Darius and Dermanus. The fundamental thing here is to understand the timing. There are many ideas, from WEB3, that are going to happen, but it is difficult to know exactly when, because they depend on mass adoption, or on certain technologies that need better development. The Casa Voltaire mystery. What happened in that house in Palermo, Buenos Aires? The original article's author couldn't find enough information about the founder's time there. Is there a reason for that? The article quotes an anonymous programmer. Low-profile personality is one explanation, but also security issues, and not raising your head at a time when regulations and tax burden on the sector are supposed to increase. How much will Decentraland cost in 2025, or how much will Decentraland cost in 10 years? Guessing price fluctuations and predicting future prices is a hell of a task. Decentraland price prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Decentraland, Mana, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $3.70. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Decentraland's maximum price could be up to $4.21 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Decentraland Course Forecast 2023. Mana has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users in advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Decentraland, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $6.18. Mana is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $5.37, a minimum price of $5.19, and a maximum price of $6.18. Decentraland Course Prediction 2024. In 2024, with wider adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, Decentraland price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $9.01 in 2024. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $8.04 with a maximum price of $9.01 for 2024. Price Mana Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Decentraland price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As DApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of Mana will rise to around $11.46 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year could end with a maximum price of $13.49 with a minimum price. Level $11.13. Mana Rate Prediction 2026. Mana will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Decentraland rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2026, the Decentraland rate will be almost $16.85. The maximum bet we can get is $20.02. Decentraland average price prediction for the end of 2026 could be around $17.30. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Mana Price Prediction 2027. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Decentraland will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2027, Mana is expected to peak at $29.37. The minimum bid could rise to $24.21 if the market turns bullish.